Also been struggling with. Let me also get in Shruti Dasgupta into this conversation. Shruti, the dynamics of diplomacy is something that India has mastered, but when it comes to Pakistan, they definitely don't have the leverage. You know, there's nothing that they offer to the world except international terrorism. There's nothing that the world also wants to offer to them except the Chinese, who on a regular basis get blown up here and there in buses by local terrorists in Pakistan. What's to become of any outreach by Pakistan at this point in time, specifically to the Muslim Ummah?
Thank you so much, Vineet, for having me on your show. I would like to state that Pakistan is a failed state. It began as an entire concept of an Ummah itself, that Hindus and Muslims cannot live together. And now we see that they are Muslims and Muslims themselves are not able to live together. And that is why we are seeing an implosion of Pakistan, a balkanization of Pakistan, where we are seeing Baluchis trying to run away and the Pashtuns trying to run away and create their own nations, desiring their own independence. So no matter whom Pakistan is going to try and reach out to, everybody in the world knows that Pakistan is a lost investment. No matter who pushes in the money, who pushes in the help, they are not going to win if the people are not with the entire army run nexus called as the government of Pakistan. So Pakistan in itself is a failed state. The idea of Pakistan is a failed idea. That is why Asim Munir stood on that podium and gave that very, very fanatic speech where Hindu and Muslim cannot live together. Rhetoric was reiterated. He was stating exactly what Jinnah and his predecessors have been saying. And so he himself is trying to bind the people together behind the idea of Pakistan. But Pakistanis themselves are very, very troubled. The Baluchistanis have almost declared independence. They are attacking the military of Pakistan. The Chinese assets are very much inside the Baluch area. So they are now, although supporting Pakistan, they have sent a few armaments there. But they are not going to pump in any more money. It's a lost investment. It's a lost cause. It's a failed state. So right now what we're doing is we're seeing how the global community has come and stood behind India. The soft power of India speaks much, much higher than any other power of Pakistan. The diplomatic failure of Pakistan in itself is how it has tried to give a clean sheet to a terrorist organization like TRF. That is why Ishaq Dar is finding pride in saying that they kind of removed the name of the TRF from the statement. But in itself, that just shows that these people are not really able to control their own nation. The army has lost its cause. And as Imran Khan likes to say, aapko ghabrana nahi hai. So these people are actually ghabra rahe hain. They are very scared. And
you're absolutely right.